guys, let's have merienda. Oh yeah, kain tayo nito guys. Banana with milk. Let's have it. Merienda habang umuulan guys. Kain tayo guys, samahan niyo ako guys. Sino man hindi pa nakapag-merienda dyan? Let's have it. Milk lang nilagay ko dito guys. Sarap. That's it. Everyone, kain tayo. Coffee, masarap siya. Partner natin guys na, tingnan nyo guys, malakas na ang ulan. Sarap. Very creamy din yung coffee natin guys. Masarap guys. Kape sa malamig na panahon guys. Kain tayo. I hope everyone dyan nakapag-merienda din tayo dyan. Let's have it. Merienda, banana with milk and with coffee guys. Oh, di ba? Very yummy. Ang sarap guys. Kain tayo. Sa inong hindi pa nakapag-merienda dyan. So, let's have merienda. Let's eat together. Mix ko lang siya sa guys. Kain tayo, everyone. Medyo may katamisan lang siya kunti. Hindi naman masyado. Tamang-tamang. And our coffee is still hot. Yummy as I am. Cherries. Very yummy as I am, guys. Char lang, guys. Kain tayo. Huwag yun naman dyan seryosohin, guys. No, diba? Magkuha na din kayo sa mga merienda nyo dyan. So, let's have merienda. And eat together, everyone. Yummy. That's it. Kumusta kayo dyan? I hope your day is good. No? I hope everyone is have a nice day and a good day. Umuulan guys. So far, hindi naman talaga masyado malakas. Kaka lang. Bagsak lang niya guys ng ulan. Samahan niyo ako. Malapit na ako matapos guys. Kayo din dyan. Mag-merienda din kayo dyan. Yummy. See you next. Bye.